If you have accidentally removed your Xiaomi Cleaner app shortcut, in this video I will show you how to restore it. I am using a Redmi Note 10 Pro with MIUI version 14.0.8. Note that the Cleaner app is integrated into the security app, and you will not find the Cleaner app listed as either a system app or regular individual app. Okay, let's start. Go to Settings, then choose Apps. Now choose System Apps Settings. Next choose Security. Under Feature Settings, click on Cleaner. Scroll down and enable Show Home Screen Shortcut. Your Xiaomi Cleaner shortcut should now be available. The shortcut might not show on the first home screen, and you might have to swipe to your second or even third screen to find it. You can then relocate it to whatever position you wish. Now you can easily clean your Xiaomi smartphone whenever you wish. Be sure and check out my video about how to make the Xiaomi battery turbocharge feature work again from the link on the screen or in the description below. Take care and be well.